Hi, I'm Anitha, one of the two people behind Grand Duchy Tales. We are a snail mail club, and if that phrase means nothing to you, don't worry, it's exactly what it sounds like snail mail, which is a slow mail coming to your house. So you get a real envelope filled with a letter and many more goodies that you can actually hold by hand and wait in anticipation for its arrival. So here's how this all actually started. I was at a talk about AI and democracy by Bruce Schneier, and afterwards I went to a photography exhibition. Later that evening, Franck, the co-creator of the club, and my partner, I got talking and we realized some things ourselves. Our day jobs are cybersecurity. We live in front of our laptops, and AI is moving at right now that most of the days we spend trying to catch up with it. But something that happened along the way without really planning, we had both started living lives a bit offline. We do more activities in person, offline. We enjoy it slowly and in an analog way. And when we learned about the concept of Snail Mail Club, it was like, wow, we loved it. And we actually wanted to subscribe to one. So we looked up online to find something here in Luxembourg. We didn't find one to our surprise, so we ended up starting it ourselves. It was crazy. We came up with the idea, and just within 2 days, over the weekend, we built an entire website. We put everything in, and we shared the news with few friends. And word of mouth, we had our first subscriber. So we have been extremely grateful and excited to create every month. So it's been 3 months now. We have already sent out 2 packages, and we are preparing the next one. And we thought, yes, it's time to go on YouTube and share this with everybody. Now, what is unique about our Snail Mail Club is Franck and I are photographers. We live in Luxembourg. Exactly. Country is something that many of them do not know. It's a small country which people don't even know where it is on the map. That's kind of the point. So you can discover Luxembourg. And any videos that you see on YouTube talks about Luxembourg being the richest country, financial capital, etc., etc. Nobody talks about the legends, the castle, the quiet streets, and the life here. So we thought we bring all of that in a piece to you. So whether it is about castles, it's about legends, it's about our life here, you will see all of this. So every month we decide on a theme and we package the entire envelope around it. So we click pictures, so we print them, we add it. I also write the letter, so whatever I'm going through that month, what I feel about it, and what's the theme, relevant to the theme. And I love painting, so I do paint. So you get few pages from my sketchbook. It can be in the form of an art print, or it could be a sticker. I love reading, so I also like designing bookmarks. And I do a lot of activities like puzzles, crosswords. So I do try to throw some of them into the mail. So it's just depending on the month and the theme, I try to put all of this together. So what you receive is every single thing. Either we have clicked or we have designed it by ourselves. So if you've already visited Luxembourg and you want to have a piece of it, or you know about the country and you want to learn more, this could be a way to explore and discover Luxembourg. If this is something that sounds cool to you, everything is on our website. I will link the link in our bio, and sign-ups have already opened. You can always try a month, and then if you don't like it, if it's not your vibe, it's always okay to cancel. But if you think it's too much to commit, you can always watch our YouTube videos where we talk about how we prepare these mails, what has been the theme, and not to spoil it for the subscribers.